Hello respected viewers, I am a psychic reader, I am a herbalist, I am also counselor, I am healer. I always gives very accurate, detailed and very honest answers of all the questions you are looking for. You know that what is my today topic? My today topic is actually Aries people. What would happen with Aries people in this month April and next month May? You know that one my viewers was requesting me to just tell that what is going to happen generally in this month for Aries birth sign, for Aries zodiac sign. Actually, Aries is a very good sign, and this month actually connects very well with Aries sign. It's mean this month is going to develop more energies. This month is also really just moving well. In this month, you know that what is best thing you need to know, that someone from your past will try to apologize you. Maybe if you have breakup, if you are worried about your boyfriend or girlfriend, she may reach out to you. And you know that when she will reach out to you, on that time she will also promise with you that she wouldn't do same and similar type of things anymore. She will also keep her promises. According to my powers, that when these things are going to happen, on that time it will be your own choice. Because new one opportunity is also showing. This new person will be rich one, have a good work. This new person will be having brown hair. This new person will be tall. This new person will not be having tattoos on a body. This new person wouldn't be married. This person wouldn't be having a baby or baby mama with someone else. This new person will also not be drinker. He will be having a good work, and this person will come from a good family background. So in this month, for Aries people, in this month, you know that if you want to start someone else, I mean just search someone else, if you want to meet with anyone else, you can go in a public. You can start meeting with new peoples. And I am sure that you will be able to meet with the right person, because you are really making everything in very well way. Energies are really going to make you more strong. Things are going to get better. It is a brand new start. That's what you can say. And you will also be able to have a very best improvement in these things. So this was for today. If you have any kind of question, you may connect with me. Please note my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 0092 344 7723124. This was for today. You may join me anytime when you want. Have a good time. Bye-bye. Take care.